Akki roti is a rice-based instant breakfast item unique to the state of Karnataka. Hi guys, welcome to Vidya Cooking Diary. Akki roti is done in a variety of ways. Today let's see how to make dill leaves akki roti, also known as sabbasike soppina akki roti in Kannada. Dill leaves is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamin C, thus helpful in resisting infection. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I've taken about 1 cup of dill leaves, about 4 green chilies which I have chopped into roundels, about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and about 3 medium sized onions which I've chopped finely. Now in this mixing bowl, I'll be adding about 2 cups of rice flour. Now let's add all the remaining ingredients. So here goes the slitted green chilies, then the finely chopped dill leaves. Let's add it all. And let's add the onions now. And finally let's add the 2 tablespoons of jeera. So now everything is inside the mixing bowl. So with the help of the hand, let's mix it up this really well without adding any water. The intention behind this is to release the moisture from the onions. So let's do this process for about 1 to 1.5 minutes, not more than that. Now let's start adding waters in batches. Here I've taken medium hot water. This is done with an intention to keep the akki roti soft even after the akki rotis have cooled down. So make sure that you add hot water and mix it well. We don't want to add too much water. We just want to add water just enough to make a dough. The bowl has to come clean. Okay, the dough is ready. I've added around 1 cup of water. See, I'm able to form a ball. So this indicates that the dough is all ready. Let's put it back to the bowl and give it a good mix once again, and let's cover it and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. So today I'm going to do this akki roti in a traditional way. So here I've taken a muslin cloth or a cotton cloth and I've dipped it in water. I'm squeezing all the excess water. Now let's line it up upon a platform and let's start making the rotis. So here I'm taking a big ball of the dough and keeping it on the cotton towel. I'll dip my hands in water and I'll start making a roti out of the dough. Just with the help of my fingers, I'm tapping it across and making a roti. So if your hand starts feeling a little dry in the process, just dip your hands once again in the water and continue the process until it's quite thin and perfect. Try to make it as thin as possible because it tastes the best that way. So this akki roti is ready to be cooked. So here I've taken an iron skillet for which I'm seasoning it with some coconut oil. So the tawa is all hot. I'm adding the akki roti. Keeping the flame in low, I'll be adding some oil and I'll be covering it and cooking it for about 40 seconds. So now let's open the lid and check if it's done. Okay, it's coming out so easily. It's perfectly done underneath. So now let's cook on the other side too by adding some oil. And let's close and cook it. So now let's check whether it's ready. Oh, it's perfectly done. The akki roti is all ready. I'm taking it onto a plate. Now I'll be repeating the same process with all the remaining akki rotis. Totally it has yielded me around 13 akki rotis. So do it as per your requirement. So the sabbasike akki roti is all ready to be served. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys.